Have you ever felt a tight feeling in your chest and wondered if it was just stress? What if it was something more dangerous? What if not knowing what to do could cost you your life? Today, I will share 7 easy but very important steps that can save your life or the life of someone you care about during a heart attack. Most people don't know these steps, and that's why many people die every year. But if you watch this video until the end, you will learn exactly what to do before it's too late. If you want to keep yourself and your family safe, press the subscribe button now. This video can help you save a life, and you will want to see more videos like this. So stay with me and learn these 7 life-saving steps. You never know when you might need them. Step 1. Recognize the early warning signs. A heart attack is a very serious problem, but many people don't know what it really feels like. It is not always the big, strong chest pain you see in movies. Sometimes, a heart attack starts slowly and quietly. It can feel like pressure or tightness in your chest, like someone is sitting on your chest. Some people say it feels like burning or squeezing. This feeling can spread to other parts of your body too, like your jaw, your back, or your left arm. You might also start sweating a lot, even if you are not hot. You may feel sick in your stomach or dizzy, like you might faint. Some people feel very tired all of a sudden, as if they have no energy at all. The hardest thing is that these warning signs do not always stay strong. They can come and go. You might feel fine for 5 or 10 minutes, and then the pain or pressure comes back again. This can trick you into thinking everything is okay. But it is not. Your heart is in trouble, and it needs help right now. If you ignore these signs, the heart attack can get worse very fast. You must trust your body. If something feels wrong, it probably is. Do not wait until you collapse or lose consciousness to take action. This is your body's emergency alarm. Do not hit snooze or turn it off. The faster you listen and act, the better your chances of surviving. Your heart is trying to tell you something very important. You must pay close attention. Some people think that heart attacks only happen to older people or those who are very sick. But this is not true. Anyone can have a heart attack, even young and healthy people. That is why it is very important to know the early warning signs. If you see these signs in yourself or someone else, act fast. Your quick response can save your life or the life of someone you love. Step 2. Call emergency services immediately. Once you notice the warning signs, you must call for help right away. This is not the time to be brave or try to fix things by yourself. Do not try to drive yourself to the hospital. Do not wait and hope that the pain or pressure will go away. The best thing to do is pick up your phone and call emergency services immediately. In the United States, dial 911. In the United Kingdom, dial 999. In India and many other countries, the emergency number is 112. It is very important to know the correct emergency number for your country. If you don't know, find out today and save it on your phone. This number can save your life or someone else's. If you live alone, keep your phone close to you all the time. It can be by your bed, in your pocket, or next to you on the couch. The moment you feel something wrong, call right away. Don't wait a second. When you call, tell them clearly what you feel and where you are. The ambulance will come as fast as possible. Every minute you wait without help, your heart loses oxygen. The blood flow to your heart is blocked, and the heart muscle starts to die. The damage gets worse with every minute. Calling early can mean the difference between living a full life or having serious health problems. It can also mean the difference between walking out of the hospital or not waking up at all. If you are not able to call, try to get someone nearby to call for you. This could be a family member, neighbor, or friend. Always remember, calling emergency services is the first and most important step in saving your life. Step 3. Chew an aspirin. After calling for help, there is one simple action you can take that can help your heart while you wait for the ambulance. If you are not allergic to aspirin and don't have problems with your stomach, take 1 regular aspirin tablet, usually 325 milligrams. But don't just swallow it whole. You need to chew the aspirin well before swallowing it. Chewing allows the medicine to enter your bloodstream faster. Aspirin is a blood thinner. This means it helps stop the blood clot that may be blocking the blood flow to your heart. It does this by making your blood less sticky. This can slow down or stop the clot from getting bigger. This simple medicine can give your heart more time and reduce the damage. It is important to take the right medicine. Aspirin is the one that works in this case. Do not take Tylenol, acetaminophen, ibuprofen, or other pain relievers because they do not help in a heart attack. Keep aspirin in your home, your purse or bag, and even your car. It is a small thing, but in a real emergency, it could save your life. Remember, do not take aspirin if you are allergic or your doctor has told you not to. If you are unsure, try to ask someone or wait for the ambulance. But if you can take it safely, chew one tablet right away. Step 4. Sit or lie down calmly. When you feel the heart attack symptoms, your body becomes stressed. Your heart is working very hard. It is important to stay calm and not make your heart work more. Don't panic and start walking or running around. Don't try to clean the house or get ready to go to the hospital. Instead, find a safe place to sit down. This could be on the floor, a chair, or a couch. If you want to lie down, do so, but try to lift your head a little with a pillow or a cushion. Try to stay calm and control your breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply. You can do this by breathing in through your nose for 4 seconds, holding your breath for 2 seconds, then breathing out slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. This kind of breathing helps slow your heart rate and keeps oxygen flowing in your body. When you panic, your heart beats faster and your body uses more oxygen. This makes things worse. Staying calm is very important. It is not just for your mind but for your body's survival. By staying calm and resting, you help your heart work better while you wait for help. Step 5. Unlock the door. This step sounds very simple but is very important and often forgotten. If you become unconscious or faint before the ambulance arrives, and your front door is locked, paramedics will need to spend time trying to get inside. This can waste precious seconds. If you can, unlock your front door as soon as you feel something wrong. You can leave the door slightly open so help can get in easily. If you live in an apartment or a building with security, call them or tell a neighbor that help is coming and you need their help. If you feel too weak to unlock the door, try to make noise. You can knock on the floor, hit a wall, or shout for help if you can. The important thing is to let someone nearby know there is an emergency. Every second counts in a heart attack. Helping the ambulance get to you quickly can make a big difference in your survival. Step 6. Use your phone's emergency features. Most modern phones have emergency features built into them. These features are made to help you when you cannot speak or move well. For example, on an iPhone, if you press the side button quickly 5 times, your phone will call emergency services automatically. It will also send your live location to your emergency contacts, so your family or friends know where you are. Android phones also have similar emergency settings. You can set these up in your phone settings menu. You can add important health information like allergies, medications, or any health problems you have. This information can show up on your lock screen even if your phone is locked. It helps the ambulance team know about your health and treat you better. It only takes a few minutes to set these features up on your phone. But in a real emergency, this simple setup could save your life. Make sure your family and friends also know how to use these tools. It is free and easy to use. Step 7. Control your breathing to stay calm. Now that you have called for help, take an aspirin, and made sure the door is unlocked, you might still feel very scared and tired. Your heart is beating fast, and you might feel sweaty or faint. This is normal, but you can help yourself feel better by controlling your breath. Close your eyes if you want to. Take slow, deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose, hold the breath for a moment, then breathe out through your mouth slowly. You can count as you breathe. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 2 seconds, breathe out for 6 seconds. Keep doing this again and again. This breathing helps slow your heart rate and keeps your brain calm. If you start to feel scared, say to yourself quietly, "I am okay. Help is coming. I just need to breathe." Staying awake, calm, and focused helps your body fight the heart attack. You are stronger than you think. You are not alone. The ambulance is coming. Keep breathing. After the emergency is over, remember this was a warning from your body. Talk to your doctor soon. Change what needs to be changed in your life. Eat better food, get enough sleep, exercise, and have regular health checkups. Keep aspirin close by and teach these steps to your family and friends. Knowing what to do is not just power, it is protection. Because if this happens again, you will be ready. Thank you for watching and learning these important steps to help during a heart attack. Remember, acting fast can save a life, maybe even your own. Share this video with your family and friends so they know what to do too. Stay safe, take care of your heart, and don't forget to listen to your body. See you next time.